Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here at the storage slash shop slash. I got the fleet out right now. I had to move everything out because I want to show you guys, and you're probably going to see from the thumbnail, the other mystery CTS. And there it is. Let me see if I can get you guys in the frame there. There we go. And that's it there. I bought it at Copart. It is going to be a parts car for me, and I just want the interior. Everything else somebody can have. I will sell it. I'm not going to sell it with the title because I don't want to have to fix everything. Hold on for 1 second. I got one hand here. There we go. I don't want to have to fix everything and get it inspected and all that good jazz. But overall, it's a CTS4. That means it's an all-wheel drive CTS. So it's like a premium platinum edition, I suppose. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably take all the interior out, and I'm putting in another Cadillac, and then from the Cadillac interior I'm gonna put back in here. So this car will have interior and everything on it. I mean, it looks really nice, really nice. Let me see if I can get it in. Oh, this door is locked. I don't know why this door locked, but those are open. But this is the crash here. I don't think you guys can see it very well. Let me turn on a little light here. As you can see, it's all buckled and damaged. Most of the damage was in the front, which to me just probably either redoing the frame rails or cutting it out and welding on another one. Like the hole from all, you'll have to strip it all the way out, pull the engine and everything. To me, I believe it's fixable. It is totally fixable. Now, the reason I believe it won't start is because of this ABS thing is damaged and the computer is not recognizing it. So that's the only thing I could think of why it won't start. It is a couple wires that was broken, and we fixed some of those. But the key to turn, like you could turn it, it'll come on, but it won't do nothing. No click, no nothing. It almost sounds like, and I probably won't hear the fuel pump, but I don't hear it. So let me see if this, I wonder did I lock it? I think I locked it. Oh no, I didn't. See, yeah, that side is not open. And I clicked to open it. But let me show you the inside. It's like really dark in here, but the seats are in way better condition. The dashboard, it's very clean. It's sell this steering. Well, I'm gonna sell everything. So besides, I don't need the steering wheel, but I need everything else in it. So let's stop the blabbling and probably start pulling the car apart. I gotta try to figure out how to get first I'm gonna get the seats out, the door cards, and then try to pull off the dash, because I need the dash. I had the dash in that one is okay. No, it's not. It's nasty. It looked like it broke a lot of stuff, and try to glue it back on with super glue. With super glue and plastic, kind of builds up and turns those chrome things white and just tears it up. I don't know what they was thinking about. So let's get started on that. finish removing this because there's bolts down at the bottom. And I just remember when you take out the seats and pull the carpet, because the carpet is in 3 different pieces. Once the carpet is removed, it's bolts down on the dry shaft well, and those I think it's 2 or 3 bolts on each side, and then this will come out. So I can't take that out. Also, I can't take this out because I can't get the seats out. I can't take this out because I can't get it out because of no Torx bits. Torx bits, and I do not remember any Torx bits on the other car. Yep. Okay, well, let's do something else. Welcome back. I had to take off yesterday because I didn't have tools for the CTS because I use a lot of torque bits. I have the torque bits to take the seats out, and also the console has a lot of torque screws as well, and the gear shifter have a torque screw. So I didn't have any torque bits here yesterday. So I got all the torque bits, and yeah, I got pretty much all the ones I had. I got them all. So we're gonna jump back on the interior on the CTS and start taking that apart so I can get all the interior out of this CTS and put it in that CTS. So I guess that's it. Let's keep going on it.